Imagine if, in just minutes from now, you could get access to the brand new AI app that creates ultra-realistic human-like AI influencers for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and automatically produces and publishes trending viral content like dancing reel videos, vlogs, commercial ads, product reviews, unboxing videos, TV shows, music videos, motivational talks, and more. In any niche, in any language, in less than 2 minutes, without showing your face, hiring expensive influencers, or needing any video editing skills. And the best part? It comes with a revolutionary 2-click viral booster tech that instantly broadcasts your AI influencers' viral videos to your niche audience, effortlessly gaining millions of views and followers, along with big brand deals that pay $500 to $1,000 per day on complete autopilot. Sounds like a massive life-changing opportunity? Look, social media and AI technology have taken the world by storm, dominating every aspect of the online space. And in this new digital era, people are now 76 times more hooked to their phones, spending hours every day scrolling through Instagram, watching TikTok reels, and consuming YouTube content like never before. Here's why that's important for you. Over $50 billion is spent annually on influencer marketing. The demand for influencers to promote brands, products, and services has never been higher. And thanks to cutting-edge AI technology, you no longer need to rely on expensive influencers, struggle to create viral content, or waste money on ad campaigns. Because now you can create and launch ultra-realistic AI influencers that look, speak, and perform like real humans, while earning you millions of followers and big brand deals on complete autopilot. Here are some jaw-dropping facts. Influencer marketing is projected to be a $100 billion industry by 2030. 80% of marketers find influencer marketing highly effective for driving sales and brand awareness. The average brand spends $10,000 to $50,000 per month on influencers. Over 50% of people make purchasing decisions based on recommendations from influencers. TikTok influencers with just 10,000 followers can charge $200 to $500 per post. The highest earning influencer, Cristiano Ronaldo, makes over $2.4 million per post. Now imagine tapping into this explosive market with your very own AI influencers, without spending thousands of dollars hiring real people, without learning complex video editing or content creation skills, and without the hassle of managing endless social media campaigns. Introducing AI Influencers, the world's first AI app that creates ultra-realistic, human-like influencers who can automatically produce and publish viral content across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube in any niche, in any language, in less than 2 minutes. Here's what makes AI Influencers a game changer. Design ultra-realistic AI personas with lifelike voices, unique appearances, and dynamic expressions to captivate audiences effortlessly. Create fully AI-powered influencers with distinct personalities and human-like voices, ready to engage across all platforms. Transform influencer avatars into high-quality animated videos, bringing scripts and emotions to life seamlessly. Produce content like dancing reels, vlogs, product reviews, unboxing videos, commercials, tutorials, motivational talks, gaming live streams, live events, behind-the-scenes tours, and more. Use the 2-click viral booster tech to instantly blast your viral content to millions of viewers across multiple platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Automatically gain 10,000 to 50,000 followers daily without lifting a finger. One-click brand deal finder tech grabs you new deals daily and pays you $500 to $1,000 per day on autopilot. Generate trend-sensitive scripts that keep influencer content engaging and relevant. Produce natural human-like speech in 32 languages for global audience connection. Add authenticity with genuine emotional displays, making influencers relatable. Create content in over 140 languages to cater to audiences worldwide. Generate music perfectly matched to each video's mood, tone, and style. Create professional logos, graphics, and visuals tailored to your influencer's identity. Receive creative, AI-generated influencer name ideas that fit your brand. Generate catchy captions, engaging descriptions, and optimized hashtags for maximum visibility. Plan, schedule, and manage content with ease using built-in tools. Publish seamlessly across Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and more. And the best part? You can achieve all of this in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Create your AI influencer upload a photo. Use our pre-designed avatars or design one from scratch. Step 2. Generate viral content. Pick a content type, reels, ads, product reviews, or more, and let the AI handle the rest. Step 3. Publish and profit blast your AI influencer's content to millions of viewers, gaining followers and brand deals on complete autopilot. You don't need any tech skills, expensive equipment, or hours of work. With AI influencers, you can say goodbye to paying thousands of dollars to real influencers, struggling to create engaging content, spending hours editing videos. Now's your chance to transform yourself into a social media powerhouse, or help others launch their influencer careers using AI influencers. And here's the best part. Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, giving you lifetime access to AI influencers at the price of a cup of coffee. But hurry, this is a limited time offer. Once we hit capacity, we'll be closing the doors for good. Remember, you're covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. Click the button below to secure your copy of AI Influencers now and start gaining millions of views, followers, and big brand deals today. We'll see you inside.